Hello, I'm Dr. Deepthi Venkatesh, fertility specialist at Garbhagudi IVF Center. So today we will be talking about natural pregnancy after a failed IVF. So many a times when couples undergo IVF, of course them and we, all of us want the procedure to succeed, but the chance of success of an IVF is around 50 to 55%, which means that half the other couples who undergo IVF might be faced with a negative result. So when they get faced with such a result, it can be very hard to cope with and it can be very disappointing, both emotionally and physically. So does this mean that it is the end of the road for such couples and should they stop trying? Definitely no. There is definite potential for such couples also to conceive naturally, depending on the cause of infertility and the reason why the IVF is done. So in our clinical experience as well as research, we have seen that couples who undergone a failed IVF do go on to conceive naturally, especially within the first 3 years of such an IVF failure. The hormones that we would have used for ovarian stimulation, as well as the changes that this would have caused in our body, may positively help in conceiving naturally. So what are the factors that will determine the chances that they can conceive naturally? One is the age of the partners, because as we all know, fertility in both males and females keeps decreasing with increasing age. Another, as I already mentioned, is the reason why the IVF procedure was done in the first place. If it was because of the male factor where the counts were very less, or they had no sperms, or some reason like blocked tubes, then the chance of a natural conception might be very less. Whereas when it is done for reasons such as unexplained infertility or in younger people with good ovarian reserve, then their chance of conceiving naturally even after an IVF failure is quite okay. So apart from this, another thing that influences this chance is their overall health, their hormonal balance, their lifestyle choices, any underlying medical conditions like diabetes, hypertension, thyroid, having an ideal BMI, their stress from other factors. All of these play a role in determining their natural conception success. So it is very important to maintain a positive attitude and hope and think that there is an ability to conceive naturally. Apart from this, it also becomes very important to seek professional guidance so that you can optimize your overall health and also know how to go about planning this natural conception. For this advice, which can be tailored to your individual needs, please reach out to us at Garbhagudi. And also regarding more information about any fertility issues, please follow our channel and take an appointment with us.